detailed. Grandpa Stan, John Jacoby, photograph, car number 24, Dakota Lesto. Spot on Lincoln Welding, accurate angle crane, Lisa Boats, Fred's Auto Wrecking, Oaks Logging, Baxter Auto, car number 017, Josh Holmgren. Sponsored by AM, The Damn Bar, Guardian Arms, Leanne, Jeremy, and Aiden. Car number 1, DK Ken Dixon. Sponsored by Fred's and Cedar Automotive. Car number 63, Mike Lester. Sponsored by Tranquil, Chili Diddle Clinic, Fastenal, Bernie's Dog Grooming. Car number 162, TJ Lester. Car number 165, sponsored by Fastenal, Tricks Dental, Cheeto Dental Clinic, Burgers Dog Grooming, Busy Bee Daycare. Car number 165, China Coffee. Sponsored by RS1, car number 9, Michael Larson. Sponsored by Higher Grounds, Grandview, Pins and Needles, Piercing, Jim Bishop, Scrap Metal, All Metal Recycling, Elite School and Driving, Yes, Elite School, Redneck Racing, car number 94, Larry Blumberg. Sponsored by Lincoln Welding, Accurate Angle Crane, Leashore Boats, Fred's Auto Wrecking, Oaks Logging, Baxter Auto Parts, Treasure Clinics, Trisha Tupper, car number 02E, James Taylor. Sponsored by Higher Grounds, Grandview, Pins and Needles Piercing, Jim Bishop, Scrap Metal, All Metal Elite School of Driving, Caitlin, Jesse Little, Jessica Lisco, Redneck Racing, car number 17, Larry Blumberg. This should be fast and furious. You guys know how to drive. Here they go. All right. Three whips are up there. It's the whips. Dixon. Number 9, Michael Larson, still going at it. Let's see which one can get up to speed, get the other one. Here we go. Alright, there he goes. There he goes. Kind of losing power out there a little bit. Up there. I'm done. I'm done. Larson says, hit me. And he says, okay. Last time I didn't go. I just sit there and let him slap. He breaks him loose, he can beat him. Partner right there, Kenny. You got her one. Don't do it. Don't move it. Leave it